What's up guys, Bradley, oh, sorry, wrong channel. Hi guys, we're off on another adventure. We're gonna head out to Sinsa West today. It is Family Day Monday, Easter was yesterday. Happy Easter to all of those who celebrate. So plan today, we're gonna try for
some bluefish. There's some shad in the water again.
The shad are thick here guys, if you weren't aware.
Yeah, so we're just gonna see what the sea looks like. Maybe there's all the west and east there. Let's see, maybe the temp is nice. We'll go for some bluefish.
Awesome. Right guys, see you on the beach. Super flat. Yeah, we're gonna still give it a bash. See what happens. We've actually not looked at any of the conditions for this particular fishing trip. We just decided why not, let's go give it a bash. So yeah, hopefully we get something. This is promising though. There is some evidence of something that came out of the water. Something came out not too long ago. So yeah, let's see what happens. Stefan? 1-0 circle?
1-0 circle, red bait. There's going to be a lot of big guys in the water at the moment. It's cold water.
Very cold.
So hopefully between them we might get a bluefish. There's lots of bluefish here, so we'll see.
See these guys behind me, I don't know if you can see, they've got the right idea. The one gentleman's got a chair, so that might be a bad thing or a good thing. He's not on his feet a lot, so there might not be a lot of action, but let's just go with it and see what happens. I don't know how long we're gonna fish for today, guys. Nice take. Nice takedown. What we got? On top of the water. Must be a bigger. It's looking like a bigger. Yes, it's a bigger. Was a proper takedown. Whew. Yeah, the weather's really turning quickly now. Really turning quickly now. Probably should have looked at the weather app. Nice one. But it's Monday, we're not in the office, and the sun is out on that side. Yo, another big eye, I can feel it. that way, but then we probably wouldn't stay very long. Or we just stand and fish and look that way, and then probably stay for quite a while. It's another big eye we're probably gonna pack up. Good Lord, probably gonna pack up.
Today we're going to show you a basic red crab bait. Excellent for mussel cracker, or like me, I'll catch barbel on this bait as well. Basically anything. But yeah, I'm going to show you quickly just how to rig it up. See, this is what we're going to use. It's just a normal mustard 6-0. One of these little red crabs. You can find them in any local gully, rock pool, cotton, and a baiting needle. And then yeah, I'll show you now. Not the first pincher, but the second leg off, just for entry point, to put the bait needle in. Just came out at the bottom of the second leg again on the other side, pull the line through, and the hook is it's sturdy. You bait your cotton your legs up the line. This side is freely, so it's got movement, and basically if it lies like this, it will be fine. The fish will pick it up, smash this, and the hook will be set. Otherwise it will lie like that. The hook is nice and proud, it's not hidden away in the crab. The hook is also basically to the size of the crab. Don't go like a 10-0 or something like that, which is too big. Also don't go too small, but 6-0 for the size is good.